Jai Srimannarayana. 13th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adveshta Sarvabhutanam Maitraha Karunayevacha Nirmamo निरहंकारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी ओम. You can become more dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma by inculcating these qualities. Number 1, do not carry any hatredness towards any entity in this entire universe at any given time. Do not carry any ill will towards any entity in this entire universe at any given time. Be compassionate. Be like a kind friend to all the entities. Do not carry any false ego. Maintain stability throughout all the situations in your life. Be tolerant. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, saying this, O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall become more dear to you by inculcating these qualities. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall not carry any hatredness, any ill will towards any entity in this entire universe at any given time. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall behave like a kind friend to all the entities. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall not carry any false ego. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall maintain the balance in my mind throughout all the situations in my life. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall be tolerant. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధం 10th స్కంధం 220th డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, in Vrindavanam Chaturmukha Brahma is seeing so many Sri Mahavishnu forms, but was unable to see that great amount of effulgence, and he is getting shocked. He is totally paused. Then seeing Chaturmukha Brahma's situation, Paramatma sapadi paramaha ajajavanikam, he removed that yoga maya. That means Chaturmukha Brahma, with his jnanam, he is unable to see, realize, perceive, access Paramatma. Seeing that Paramatma removed that illusion of Chaturmukha Brahma. And then Paramatma thinking like this, Balundai Chaturana Nundu Na Mahiman Alokimpane Tenchan Alokimpanentavadu Anuchu Maya Jalamun Vippi. This Chaturmukha Brahma, having 4 heads, thinking that he is so great because he is Brahma, with that arrogance, he thought he would be easily able to see me, but he did not understand my unlimited effulgence. He is small boy, how can he see my great amount of spark? Like that Paramatma thought, and then removed that illusion. Tallila rupamulella dachanata keli chaturi dhuryudai. Then Paramatma immediately hid all his so many Sri Mahavishnu Swarupas. And then Chaturmukha Brahma was able to see Paramatma. Then Chaturmukha Brahma realized. After that again Paramatma made Chaturmukha Brahma get into that illusion. Then Paramatma again made the entire previous normal situation in Vrindavanam, like so many boys, so many baby cows, and Paramatma Krishna, then Baladeva, everything was again same as it is. That kind of scene was shown to Chaturmukha Brahma by Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 13th sloka. Adveshta sarva bhutanam maitrah karuna yevacha nirmamo nirahankaraha samadukha sukhakshami. Adveshta sarva bhutanam maitrah karuna yevacha nirmamo nirahankaraha समदुःखसुखक्षमी श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।